Hello everybody. Today I would like to tell you about short talk of audience. First, the speaker asked audience if their company wanted to hire skilled computer technician who had been trained with state-of-the-art equipment. Then she introduced graduates of computer technology institute was highly trained and skilled technician able to handle or routine technician problems. Moreover, all institute graduates were eligible to become certified computer technicians. Finally, she suggested hiring one that day.